Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? I'm sounding a little excited, isn't it? The reason behind I'm sounding excited is because I'm making a trip to Kurseong and I would be visiting this church called as St. Mary's Goreto Church. So I'm a little excited. Let's catch up on the road. Right now I'm done with the filling of the petrol. I will be heading towards Kurseong. On the way, we'll stop by. I'm planning to stop by to have food. And this is a petrol pump near close to Sukna. So we are heading right now. We'll catch you up on the way. Previous vlog, the vlog which I had made on Dude, is the same route that we are going, but we would be taking a deviation on the right. It will be a right deviation, and Dude will normally take left, and with this one we take a right. I never tried a meal in Ruri, so I want to stop there and I want to sneak in, or maybe I want to really have some good meal out there. I actually thought of, when I started my journey, I really wanted to stop in Kurseong and wanted to have there. I know there are 2-3 restaurants which are really good. They serve really good meal, but I don't have enough time. So there are a lot of police checking happening right now. ए हुन्छ आउनुहोस् कहाँसम्म जानुहुन्छ तपाईँ? रोनीसम्म? ए हुन्छ आउनुहोस् न। अब्बै हत्तेरी यस्तो हुन्छ र त। ज्यू त्यो झन् खतरा नि। म त ला ठोके साजु भन्ने भएको। ठोकाउनु पनि डर सरियो छ त, कस्तो बाख्रा उनीहरूले त अन्त तिर हुन्छ नि अन्त पुरै एउटा। ए कुन चाहिँ यो हो तपाईँहरूको? ए तपाईँको होटल बन्ने हामी यहाँ आउनु पर्ने रहेछ। तपाईँको आफ्नै होला यो? ए यहाँ बनेपछि आउँछु नि। ए हजुर हजुर। ए उनीहरूले हेर्दाखेरि ए यहीँ रोकिदिनु हुन्छ, यहाँ रोकिदिनु है। ए हुन्छ हुन्छ। ए हुन्छ हुन्छ, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। हुन्छ, तपाईँलाई भेटेर राम्रो लाग्यो। हुन्छ स्योर पक्का हुन्छ। तपाईँको घर चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ यही हो? ए हुन्छ हुन्छ, थ्याङ्क यू। हुन्छ always help people when they are in need, and I strongly believe that. Something my parents all taught me right from the beginning. Attitude determines everything. Very true. I agree to that. Attitude determines everything. That's a way of saying thank you. Now I am thinking, should I stop in Rodi's or should I go move further? You know guys, what I wanted to show you something. Once while I was traveling along with my mom, that was I guess last year or maybe it was on, I guess it's last year I believe. So when I was traveling with my mom, I was coming all the way from Darjeeling to Siliguri, and then there were circumstances where the car brake failed. I was traveling with the mom, and then we realized the car had a brake fail and we fell off there. Luckily we survived. We survived an accident. Okay, I'll show you the point where we realized, like, the vehicle had no brakes. This is the curve where we realized, yeah, I believe, yeah, this is the curve where we realized that the vehicle had no brake. I was really shaken by that incident. It took almost a couple of weeks, in fact, a couple of months for me to recover from that shock. It was a horrific accident. I guess that's a negligence from the driver, because I could hear some kind of sound and I could hear some kind of weird smell. And while I was talking to the driver, I told him, and he just ignored it. Alright guys, this is also one of the stations where people normally stop in and they have food. But we're not gonna stop here. The weather is decreasing. Every inch, every curve I'm taking, I can sense, or I can feel the drop in the temperature. Siliguri to Kurseong normally takes an hour in a car, but in a bike it does not take that long. For me, normally it takes half an hour to 40 minutes. But there's no reason for me to. This place is called as Roadi. Should I stop or should I not stop? That's what I'm thinking right now. Okay, I'll stop. I will see. I'll stop for a moment and we'll catch up in a while. Let's see if we can get food out here. खाना छ होला? चिकन मिल छ होला नि है ल?
One thing I later realized was, when you are motovlogging, you get a chance to meet a lot of friends. It's such a blessing in disguise.
Alright guys, now that I'm done with my lunch, it's time for me to leave. I thought it would be a sunny day. I started with the thought of being a sunny day. It looks like it is a really gloomy day instead. Never mind. Irrespective of whatever happens, we'll make sure that our journey would continue. Alright guys, time for me to leave. Let's go. Let's have some fun. If you saw that, during weekends couple normally come up here and they go for a ride. You'll see most of you'll find most of the couple out here who are from Siliguri. See, I was thinking about the Zoom car and it was a Zoom car. Shit. That was a car. That was a truck breakdown. Now we're not gonna stop anywhere. We're gonna directly go towards our destination. Hope it does not rain. A lot of gadgets in my bag. Oh, okay. What just happened there? What just happened there? Looks like some kind of chaos. That's another one more viewpoint, which is. Can you see this? That's Kurseong. You see that? That's a Kurseong. I just figured it out that my GoPro mic was all tilted down, and the reason behind it was tilted down is because the adjuster just fell off on the road somewhere. I don't know where. It so happened because I was adjusting my mic, and the GoPro adjuster that we keep it in our chest just caught. I think I dropped it somewhere. So good news is, guys, we're about to reach Kurseong. 2 minutes from now we'll be reaching Kurseong. The moment you cross the pedal bunk, you see that, right? The moment you cross the pedal bunk, you'll find Kurseong. Bora, side. So guys, this is Kurseong. Now that we have entered Kurseong, this is the Goenka pedal bunk, the famous Goenka pedal bunk. That's a landmark out here in Kurseong. Now the drop in temperature drastically. There's a drop in temperature out here in Kurseong. Further, if you go to Darjeeling, it will be a different situation altogether. The temperature would go down below 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, I have decided to let's go to St. Mary's Church first. This is the taxi stand. That's the police vehicle. That's St. Alfonso School. Ravi, if you're watching this video, that's your school, dude. Sompe, ono posai kundin. Eta. My goodness, it's really cold here. Hands are getting frozen up. This is the route that we got to take in. Alright, now that we're entering, this is the route that goes to us. Now this is the route that goes to St. Mary's Church. Really beautiful, man. This road is really beautiful. Unfortunately, the day is really gloomy. If not, I would have shown you the entire Kurseong out here. Nothing can be seen from here, so no point of stopping. I don't know what time is right now. It's getting dark. That is St. John Catholic Church. This is the St. John Catholic Church. I'm sure the road is blocked, so we'll have to keep our bike here and we'll take the stairs. Now we're heading towards St. Mary's Church. You can see this, right? It's really cold out here. They're all vintage. People from Kurseong, if you're watching this, it's a high for me. Wow, this is really beautiful. Wow. You are under CCTV surveillance. Wow. Even CC camera is capturing us. This looks a little dungeon, doesn't it? I thought of capturing it through my other camera, but then I'm like, yeah, forget it, man. GoPro has it, so let my action camera take care of it, because this has got a very wide view. This is for you guys. Make sure you read it. Oh my goodness, it's really cold.
This is a natural spring beside the cave, and the water of this spring is regarded as holy. It is believed that the water brought from the Lady of Lourdes, France, has been mixed here. The statue of Virgin Mary is installed beautifully inside a cave-like structure made of stones, and another cave house the Divine Cross of Jesus. St. Mary's Goreto is located in the middle of the thick forest at the distance of 6 km from Kurseong town in the district of Darjeeling. It is one of the famous pilgrimage sites, not only for the Christian but for the people of all religion. This place gained more popularity when one of the bishops declared it as one of the 7 pilgrimage places. The history of this place is not yet clear, but it is believed to have been constructed before more than 160 years ago by the Britishers.
Hi guys, this was St. Mary Church. I hope you liked the blog. Hope to see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe the channel in case if you like it. If you liked my content, do give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you up in the next blog. Up until then, this is Arpan saying signing off. Over and out.